What's up, y'all? I'm right back at y'all. This what your boy got going on. I'm in these high winds. Y'all probably can hear my CB.
Brother, if somebody looks on the car when they're
Buzzing
working,
in the background.
I'll let 'em in. If they don't even
Y'all
look,
just
I'll
ignore that. You gotta be careful in these high winds, man. I'm about 40 some miles from my destination in PA. These winds will catch you off guard. So you just gotta, stay aware, be aware. Sky looking right gloomy. They keep calling for some snow up around this area where I'm at. Look like I could be coming into something up ahead. But y'all stay safe out there. Keep between the lines. I'm gonna holler back at y'all later on.